It's
I
not
have to stop.
IGHV, it's Raghu.
I can't help it.
We did! We did it!
Hooligans, let's roll.
Good morning, guys. We are checking out of Marfa village right now. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning and the weather is super clear. You can see the snow-capped mountains there. There's another snow-capped mountain there as well, but unfortunately there are clouds right now, so you won't be able to see it. We came down to do our cold starts. So Gustav is doing the honor. He's helping with everyone's bike. So the update is we are gonna cold start our bikes and move out to Muktinath, which is like an hour and 2 minutes away from our place. So I've heard that it's super cold and the road is full of snow. So let's see how it goes. What's up? How's the Josh?
Very high for me.
Yes,
Not so
banda.
much for you.
ये बंदा सबसे पहले उठ के चलो 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 चलो. Hello everyone. So fortunately we got a walk around for the luggage. So what we have done is all of us have kept our luggage here in the hotel itself, and we are going to Muktinath just on our empty bikes because we heard it's a lot of off-road. Low temperature and so much of carrying takes a toll, man. So we have planned on going on empty bikes. So the luggage has been dumped in the hotel reception. We'll take our empty bikes, go visit, come back, pick up our luggage and then move out. Everything is done. Bikes all ready. We are all ready. Now we are... Buy my helmet? Okay. And now we are moving out for Muktinath.
So finally, all the bikes are ready. This is me. So I'm wearing a few layers. Had to because it's -9 right now. And we are expecting snow on the way. We are taking the empty bikes. As you can see, no one has luggage except for Limo, Somik. So he has helped us with one thing. He's carrying the top box so that all our rain gear and everything can be there, just in case it rains. Because we are not carrying anything. Sorry for the panting, it's a bit cold and we have a lot of layers. Now, it's just 1 hour away from Muktinath. So hopefully we won't take any more breaks. We'll visit Muktinath.
On the way, wherever we find good views, we'll stop.
Okay, so we are gonna stop.
Yes.
Okay, good to know. Anyways, leaving the hotel. Champi, let's go. Take the lead. Just look at this village. Isn't it just picturesque? Beautiful, man. Okay, hey, taking a picture. So we took a quick stop for photos and now we are off. Thank you! Now off from Marfa village and off to Muktinath. Maybe we are gonna stop along the way again, but as of now, off to Muktinath, bro. Last time I showed you this village at night. Now have a look how it looks in the day. Everyone is dressed up, everyone is taking pictures. Apples are something which is very famous here. You'll see a lot of apple orchards near Marfa. Apple juice, apple wine, anything apple related, dried apples, you'll get them here. You can see people taking pictures with the traditional clothing and all. Beautiful, man, beautiful. It's 7:56 right now and we are moving towards Muktinath. Wow, just look at these hills, man. You can see the snow-capped mountains here as well. Just look at those. Wow. Oh, I forgot. I don't have a tank bag. I can do this as well. Oh, I forgot. I can saddle now. Wow, man, look at this. Now, I've seen people going to Ladakh in the cold deserts. I never felt how it feels like. Now I know, kind of. Okay, let me do a bit less of talking and more of riding. It's a bit off-road here.
Going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be.
Woo! I have to stop here now. I can't help it.
You're a superhero.
Okay, I hope you can see.
No, I shouldn't call you at night when I'm here all alone, thinking about the last time I tried to tell you what my feelings were like. I'm usually not the one to try to swallow my pride. Oh my, oh, what you
Oh! Now the energy comes back. These are all snow-clad mountains. All from here to there. All are snow-clad mountains. Guys, if you have not been to Nepal yet, trust me, I know it's a bit tough. Might be a bit expensive for some as well. Trust me, it was for me. But if you can make it, please do come. Please visit this place. You are not gonna regret it. You're gonna love every part of it. Hey, hey.
tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the days when you were mine. But I can be your superhero.
You also see a small, this is a Jomsom airport, by the way. It's a small strip of land which is used as an airport. So there's this checkpost where we have to show our bansas and everything. So we got that sorted. Unfortunately, I couldn't record at the checkpost. It's not allowed. So that's done. Now we're moving again towards Muktinath. And the landscape here. Oh, मैं बोलूँ क्या इसके बारे में? बस आप देखो और आप ही समझ लो ये है क्या जगह.
You take the lie with you and you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more now? I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems? Now they pour out, filling up the room with silence. Can you be
A few inches later.
Me voy a matar, que me último, uy, 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 me voy a matar, uy, uy.
Now that's the fun of off-roading on a bullet. Oh shit! No. Okay, good travel, a lot of good travel, but okay. Quick update. So we made a quick stop here. There's my bike, and why we made the stop is for this. So this is one of the many suspension bridges of Nepal, and I know it might look dangerous for some. It's completely safe. That is what I'm telling myself. मैं खुद को ही बोल रहा हूँ नीचे नहीं देखने का. The good thing about wearing a helmet is you cannot see down much. मैंने पहले बिना हेलमेट का किया था दोस्तों. फट गई. थोड़ा समझो. Anyways. I am done with the suspension bridge. कुछ photos उठाए. It's really beautiful. You can see the entire river from here and even down. Okay, so back on our bikes. So let's go, guys. Back on the bike. Let's go. So this is the climb to Muktinath. So when you're coming to Muktinath from Marfa, there's going to be a turn. So there's going to be two roads. We took the road towards the right side, and now side starts the climb. The roads, the scenery, beautiful, man. Param Sundari. Hi hi. Oh, look at that! Just look at that! If that's not beautiful, I don't know what is. This machine has taken me a lot of places. Always grateful to this. After a quick photo session, we are again off. So even though it says 25 minutes, I believe it's going to take 1 hour because we're going to stop again. And we are okay with that, to be honest. हर ऐसा तो नहीं कि बार बार हम लोग ऐसे जगह पे आते हैं. तो जब आए हैं, why not utilize it? Take a few pictures, create a few memories. It's fine. So अभी चलते हैं. Next stop, next picturesque location. देखो छोटी वो मोटी बात, लेकिन कुछ कहना है मुझे भी. See, you will not always be in your 20s and 30s. If you have a bike, if you can gather have the financial backup, or you can, देखो पैसे तो लगते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि घूमने के लिए कुछ नहीं लगता, बस जिगर चाहिए और निकल. नहीं, पैसे भी लगते हैं बॉस. अगर वो पैसे जुगाड़ हो सके, थोड़ा टाइम खुद के लिए भी निकाल लो. If this is your passion, it's not for everyone. If this is your passion, and if you can get the time, if you can arrange the time and money, अगर हो सके ना, खर्चा करो, आओ, have a look, देख के जाओ. Because you won't be able to do this every day, every time, every year, or even in your 40s or 50s. तो पैसे हो गए, बड़ी गाड़ी भी होगी शायद, लेकिन ये वापस शायद ना मिले. Wow, man. The more I move towards Muktinath temple and I move nearer to Annapurna range, it looks more and more majestic and beautiful, man. Like, ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही सुंदर है. Wow, man. उसने कहा था हम लोगों को निकलने से पहले कि once you start moving towards Muktinath, तुम कैमरा बंद ही नहीं कर पाओगे. And I feel that it is completely true, man. मैं कैमरा बंद कर रहा हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए, and the next few minutes I think, okay, I need to capture this as well. Like, this is something else, man. Almost there. The range is getting closer and closer. It's almost there. Oh, isn't that beautiful, man? Isn't that just wow?
अंदर कम और हॉर्न नहीं बजाना है.
हाँ हाँ, हॉर्न नहीं बजाना है.
हॉर्न नहीं बजाना, कम
एकदम
आराम से जाने का.
आराम से जाने का. ओके.
और दूसरी बात, हॉर्न मत बजाना.
हॉर्न में जाना है, ठीक है. सो यू गॉट द रूल्स. नो हॉर्न और आराम से जाना. थैंक यू भैया. चलो. finally we have reached Muktinath Mandir. So this is the place where we can keep our bikes. We're gonna keep our helmets as well. So finally, yeah, reached. So finally we have reached Muktinath. उत्सव को at last एक लुंगटा मिल गया बांधने के लिए. ये पूरा
मिल गया.
हाँ वो पूरा ट्रिप बिना बस पोल लगा के आया था without the flags, but he chose that he will buy one from here itself. Mission accomplished. Abhi next mission, stairs. I saw something different here. So in front of the Muktinath temple's entrance, I saw a few souvenirs which you can buy, and have a look at these souvenirs. So these are basically fossils. ये मिलता कहाँ है यहाँ पर? यहीं पे कहीं पे मिलता है क्या?
श्री दामोदर कुंड.
Okay, so Shri Damodar Kund में it's found naturally. So these are natural fossils found here.
समय सिर्फ इधर ही मिलता है ना.
Okay, so it's मतलब यहाँ का खास है.
हाँ, अभी वो राम मंदिर में भी ले आया था ना इंडिया में.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
इधर से ले गए.
Okay, भाई हम लोग भी इंडिया से आए.
Gonjo.
The climb starts from here. Let me just show you how many stairs we have to cover. These are the number of stairs. Just to give you an idea, these are the number of stairs. So you have to go up all of these stairs. It's going to take some time. But you're ready, hopefully. Let's go. The climb starts. हाथ में पैकेट था तो I was thinking क्या कर सकते हैं. भाई ने एक मस्त आइडिया दिया. इंडियन जुगाड़ in Nepal. Oh,
जुगाड़ में चले जिंदगी.
Exactly. Why pull Django? So, let's start the climb. Yeah, slow baby steps. Nice. I wish I had brought my chest prong. I could do a time lapse, but it is what it is.
Day 2.
Just crossed the first layer. Now for the second set of stairs. ये Django भाई Red Bull ले लिया मेरे को Sprite एक दे दिया and again off to the next station. चलो bro. So bhai, why do they stack up these stones I saw throughout the way?
So these are basically kind of wishing stones. So you put up the stones in whichever manner you want, and you make a wish and you pray. So the concept is the stones will be keeping it still, and as long as it stays, your wish or your prayer will come true. It's a superstitious belief, but it's just one of the millions of beliefs that us Hindus have.
Something new to know. We're almost there. Nah? We're there, right? Yes, we're there. Oh my god, we're there. Chalo. Here I present to you Muktinath. Finally. Reached the top. Reached. Let me show you what is the process of doing the Punya Snan. So this water is coming directly from the top. Glacier पिघल रहा है, पानी आ रहा है और I believe it was 108 spouts as such. People are supposed to travel through them. As you can see, everyone is supposed to travel through them. 108 spouts say everyone is supposed to travel through them, and after that, once the entire journey is over, you're not supposed to leave it midway. So once the entire journey of the 808 spouts are over, then you're supposed to go and take 3 dips in the 2 tals, small pools you can say. इसको बोला जाता है एक पाप ताल, एक पुण्य ताल. So these are those 2 tals. You can see 2 small pools are there. Trust me, these are freezing cold waters, and as you can see, they are also trying to go down. Take 3 dips, walk out, and then take 3 dips again. I had planned the same. I don't think I would be able to this time.
যাই করিস মরে যাস না চলো হর হর মহাদেব আরে দেখে মাথায় না লাগে যা 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 আরেকটা আরেকটা চল হবে
আরে না দাঁড়িয়ে আছিস কেন করে নে মাঝখানটা স্লিপারি আছে তুমি স্লিপারি আছে আরেকবার ওয়ান্স মোর তুই কি করছিস তুই ডোপ
Boss, how do you feel?
So, as you saw, I just did something very crazy. I thought I wouldn't do it. प्लान था लेकिन सुबह इतना ठंड लग रहा था वी थॉट हटाओ ये सब नहीं हो पाएगा जब यहाँ पर आए इसके वजह से वी बोथ हैड ऑलरेडी प्लान किया कि ये करेंगे बट सुबह उत्सव ने बोला कि नहीं करना सो वी चेंज आवर प्लान यहाँ आके मन हुआ नहीं करना है भाई सो जुगाड़ लगा के एक टी शर्ट से अपना सर सब पूछ के वी डिड इट मेरा मुंह काम नहीं कर रहा मेरा ब्रेन अभी थोड़ा फ्रोजन है सो आई गेट बैक टू यू once I am a bit normal Nimo how do you feel भाई वो कान लाल हो गया how did you feel ये मत कर how did you feel enlightening
No! God, please, no! No! No!
मुझे कैसे भी करके निकाल मेरे भाई मैं फंस गया हूँ यहाँ
वहाँ से उठ के ना लाइक मोक्ष मिल गया हो गया मुक्ति मिल गया anyways it was good
This is Muktinath temple, but unfortunately by the time we were taking bath and everything, the gates got closed.
if you're coming to Muktinath just letting you know the gates close at 12 o'clock 12 noon and open at 2 p.m. again
पेड़ है वहाँ पर भी पूजा किया जाता है so we are going to do it there.
आपका पुण्य स्नान complete now you're going to go ahead and do the puja
लोग यहाँ पर पूजा करने वाले हैं. As you can see, people are going and taking their dips.
and हम लोग पूजा करने वाले हैं
यहाँ सब यहाँ पर भी पूजा करते हैं. As you can see, there are offerings given here as well. And this is Muktinath temple. If I could show you from here, this is Muktinath temple. Unfortunately, इसके बाद मेरा जितना भी footage था that got corrupted for a memory card issue. So sadly, I couldn't quite show you the journey back from Muktinath to our destination for the night, which is Holiday Camp. But not to worry, in the next vlog I'm going to show you this beautiful place. So stay tuned, the journey is yet to be over.